Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorials, and in this video you are learning operators in Python, and in this series you are going to learn Python identity operators. So what is identity operators? Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory locations. So let's see with practical example. Now let's create a separate file called identity .py, and here a goes to red and blue, and then b equals to similar. Now a equals to c. Now let's try to a equals to c, and now print a is b. So it is comparing the object, not its value. So a is b. So if you try to run the code, so in this case it'll be Python then identity.py. C is not defined. So let's run it Python identity. So here you can see a is b. So if you compare this value wise, then you can see both the values are same, but in spite of this we are getting result as false, because the memory location of a, the memory location of object a and the memory location of object b are different, are not same. That is why it is displaying here false. It is displaying false because it is comparing the memory locations of two objects, not the value. Okay, that is why it is displaying false. Now, but if you compare this one, a is c, a is c. So let's run it, and as you can see it is displaying 2 because the memory location of a and memory location of c is same. So as I mentioned before, it compares the memory locations and not the value of the object. But yes, if we compare something like this, for example, print a equals to b, in that case the condition will be true. So this one is comparison, actually the value comparison, this one. So let's see by running kill. Oh, it's because we have assigned the blank value here, that is right. So there, let's comment this also, because after assigning the value of a has become blank, that is right. Now let's try this, and as expected it is displaying 2 here, true, because we are in the first case, in this case we were comparing the object value, object reference, the memory address of 2 in the first case. So that is why it was false. But in case of this one, we are comparing these two values, not the object. That is why it is displaying here as true. So that was identity operators, and opposite of this is not. So if you simply write here not, then its condition will be opposite. So in not case, how it will work, it will be A is not B. So in this case it will be true because it's not B. The memory of A is and B is not equal. That's why it will display true. Oh. Should not be. There is something wrong. There is spelling mistake here. Some J or it's typed. That's right. Now let's try to run. So it's true because A is not B. That is why it's displaying true. So as I mentioned before, this not is just opposite of that the first is operator. So hope you like this video, and then in the same video we are going to cover this Python membership operators. Membership operators are used to test if the sequence is presented in an object. So let's see the in operator. In the same program, if you write here, just comment this out, this one, and if you write here print red in X, or simply you can say in A, print red in A. So it is checking whether red is in A or not. So if red is available in this object A, so now let's run this. So it's displaying 2 here because, let's comment this out also, it's sometimes confusing for us. As expected, it is displaying here 2 because red is in A. And just opposite of that, if I write red, so let's write here not in A. So red not in A. We are saying that this red is not present in A, object A. So this is false. So here this will display false. Let's try to run now, and as expected it is displaying here false because red is present in A, and we are saying that red is not present in A. That's why it is displaying false here, which is correct. So that's it in this Python membership operators and Python identity operators. In the next video we will cover Python bitwise operators. So stay connected and watch the next video for these Python bitwise operators. Thanks for watching.